Good morning, students. So, in the last video, we have done exercise 2.3 till 4 sum 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sums we have completed. That of graph portion, right? I hope you all have understood the sums because in that paper, that graph paper solution in graph paper exactly they have given. Okay, so I hope that you all have understood the topic clearly. And some students are facing problem in percentage divided bar diagram and simple divided bar diagram. So today I will explain you that thoroughly. I am telling you in the video also again and again that if you are not understanding the topic, please message me. In the last I think on Saturday one girl has messaged me. So for the so on the basis of that only I am saying that few students might have doubt in that two topics, right? So I will be explaining that again. So today we will start with our fifth sum. So let's see the question. So all of you take out your textbook and graph if possible. See how you have to draw the graph is when I will explain the any question. So you have to listen it carefully. You have to watch the video carefully, and then you have to pause that, and you have to draw it on the graph paper at the same time only. And after drawing that, if you understood the video properly, then you can draw it on the graph paper, and you can at the same time only you can match your answer also whether it is right or wrong. अगर नहीं समझ में आया तो फिर से रिवाइंड करके तुम सुन सकते हो, right? So let's start with our fifth sum. That is information regarding the age of a person living in two different regions is as under. Represent it by using an appropriate diagram. See here they have told to find it by an appropriate diagram, right? And in appropriate diagram, we didn't know. Suppose if we didn't know which type we have to use, then here when we are having one data column, at the time we will be using a simple bar diagram. When two data are there, then we are doing a multiple bar diagram. Here also two data are there. So confusion creates whether it is a simple divided bar diagram or a multiple or a percentage divided. And I have given the hint that whenever it is a simple divided or a percentage divided bar diagram, total will always be given. Right? Here also total is given. So we will go for simple divided bar diagram. So children, here the question arises whether we have to do simple divided or percentage divided. See, here nothing is mentioned about percentage or simple. Right? So you can go for either simple divided or for percentage divided bar diagram. Okay. So now let's see our question. Now age is given, that is less than 15 to 35 years. The categories are given, that is less than 50 is child, 15 to 35 young, 35 to 60 adult, then more than 60 is old, then total column is given, and region A and region B is there, they are given, and the data of region A and region B is given. Okay, now see, here one statement is given, that is that no need of writing this statement, just for your knowing about this concept, that clearing your concept only I am reading this statement. The data on different age group is presented. Therefore, divided bar diagram is drawn. We prepare the following table showing the dividing lines of the. Simply they have explained by here which type of diagram you have to use. So here they have used simple divided bar diagram, not a percentage divided bar diagram. So first is of age, first column age, second column is area A and area, region A, region B. और रीजन ए में होगा नंबर ऑफ पर्सन एंड डिवाइडेड स्प्लिट अप लाइन, डिवाइडिंग लाइन भी बोल सकते हो और स्प्लिट अप लाइन. सी whatever is given in the illustration, the same method also you can move, or whatever is given means आप लोगों के ऊपर है. Two names are there, one is split up line and one is dividing line. Then you will ask again, you will ask the silly questions that whether we have to write a split up line in the heading or a dividing line. See, the heading is not an issue, and two different names are used, split up line and dividing line. Any one heading you can use. Okay, now the age is given. See, less than 15, less 15 to 35, 35 to 60, and more than 60. These four categories are given. Then number of person of a region A is given, and here we have to do a split up line. See, first of all we have to see what is the total of our region A. इन द क्वेश्चन आल्सो दे हैव गिवन टोटल ये करेंगे तो भी हमें 1200 ही आएगा, राइट। तो फर्स्ट हमको क्या यूज करना है कि 1200, see 1200 the total comes to 1200. So what we have to write? First we have to write the total, that is 1200 minus this first sum, first number. 1200 minus 480, that comes to 720. Then we have to write the total over here again, that is 720. Then minus ye wala number 36, second wala number 360, right? Then comes to 360. Then again you have to repeat it in the next column, that is 360. This one, this number deducted by this number, that is 240. Then you will be getting 120. 120 के बाद यहाँ पर तुम लोग लिख सकते हो, here you can write over here that 120 minus 120 is 0. That also you can write here. They have not written because it is the total comes to 0. That's why they have not written. Either you can write like 120 minus 120 is 0, or you can leave space, or you can do dash over there. 0 आने की जगह पे डैश डालोगे तो भी चलेगा, और 120 minus 120 करोगे तो भी तुमको मिल रहा है कि वहाँ पे 0 ही आने वाला। Got it? Okay. Now in area B, see total is 1000. So first we have to take the total, then minus it by this number, that is 350. Then you will be getting 650. Then again you have to write 650 again over here. Then minus it by 250. Then you will be getting 400. Then you have to again write 400 over here. Then minus it by 200. Then you will be getting 200. Or next column is 200 minus 200, 0 ही हो जाने वाला, right? So this is the way how you have to do the calculation, and it might be clear with that girl. I don't know her name. I don't know. So it might be clear with all the students why we are using how, what is the difference between simple divided bar diagram and percentage divided bar diagram, right? Only one difference is that you have in simple divider simply you have to take the on two columns we are preparing, data का एक column और split up line का एक column, जैसे दो line दो columns में. And in a percentage divided bar diagram, one more column we are providing, that is of percentage, right? That also I will explain you. So this is simple divided bar diagram. Okay. Now on the basis of split up line, you can draw the diagram. And one more thing, if nothing is given in the question, और हिंट से हमें पता चल रहा है that it is a simple divided or percentage divided का pattern है. And if nothing is given in the question, so you can go for either simple divided or for percentage divided. But if it is given in the question, then you have to go for percentage divided. In question, if it is clearly mentioned, then you have to draw or you have to show the calculation and you have to draw the graph based on percentage divided only. Okay, clear? Now let's see the diagram. Now our diagram is, see, first of all what you have to give the heading, that is divided bar diagram or simple divided bar diagram. Divided bar diagram showing the age of person reading in different two areas. Now you have to draw y-axis, x-axis, and you have to, on x-axis we have given the region or area, that is A, region A or area A or area B, region A or region B, कोई भी लिख सकते हो, right? Then in on y-axis we have given the number of person, right? Number of person को इन्होंने 200 के differences में लिया हुआ है, right? Minimum or maximum को consider करके then we have to take the differences of whatever difference you want to take, that you can take. अगर तुम लोग एग्जाम में करो, जब एग्जाम में हम ड्रॉ करते हैं ना, at that time if you are not taking the same numbers, here the difference of 200 and they have taken, and if you are not taking the same number and you are taking the difference of 100, and then also it's okay. Okay, you can take any difference, any numbers you can take on the y-axis, it is up to you. Okay, now differences of 200 they have taken. See what I told you in the last line. See they have drawn the draw भी गलत किया, one line skip करके इन्होंने draw किया. Exactly हमारा जो x axis का line है, ये जो bold lines होते हैं ना, ये जो ये dark lines होते हैं ना, वहां पर ही हमारा line ऐसे x axis और y axis का draw होना चाहिए, right? इसके ऊपर से ही होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट लाइन वो सेकंड उसके ऊपर का जो भी बोल्ड लाइन है उस पे से ही हमारा numbers. We are finding the numbers. That bold line we have to consider. कोई भी line में कोई भी x axis y axis कभी नहीं draw होता है. बोल्ड जो dark line है ना उसी से ही through हमारा x axis and y axis we are drawing through the dark lines. Okay, then on if we are writing the numbers, that also we have to write on the dark lines. We have to consider that dark line and that middle slide जो line होते हैं ना उसको हमें count करना है कितने हैं वो numbers. Okay, now first region A is of 1200 total. So first one full bar of 1200 you have to draw, and then you have to see that first is region A 720, 360 and 120. So 720 you have to draw. 720 kahan aa raha hai? Here see 600 and 800. In between 600 and 800 is you have to find out 720. Right? Then after 720 comes the 360. That is between 300 and 400, 360. Then comes 120. That is in between 200 and 0. Right, like this you have to draw the bar, and here also the bar is of 1000, and the same thing you have to follow what we have done in region A, right? And here on scale portion you have to write scale x-axis area, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 200%. Then you have to write the that blocks whatever you have shade you have given to what categories you have given whatever shade that you have to show in the scale, and it is compulsory to show. Right, and 1 minute, and then after that so this much is only the our solution. See है ना, इसमें क्या था 1200 तक लिया, इसमें 1000 तक लिया और इसमें सिर्फ हमने डिवाइड किया. And the most important point over here is you have to count the numbers clearly and you have to draw the lines. कहीं भी कुछ भी नहीं draw करना. Okay. Now next is C. Next question, sixth one. Draw the percentage divided bar diagram for the data given in example 5. Fifth question में जो दिया ना same question we have to consider, and you have to draw the same question with percentage divided bar diagram. Okay, so same है question सब कुछ same है. And area A में one more column we have to draw, that is of percentage. First is number of percent, that is 480, 360, 240 and 120. And percentage में percentage कैसे लेना है? 480. See, I will show you. एक percentage में बताती हूँ आपको. So first is this I will show. 480. Take out your calci and do the calculation. 480 into 100 divided by 1200. That comes to 40. This is the calculation. 480 into 100 divided by 1200 comes to 40. Right? Second one, 360 divided by 1200 into 100. सब में ये total base में लेना है upon में. Right? So, and one more thing is this, the total of your this column will be percentage column should come to 100 because percentage is always 100. Na? So this should be 100, otherwise you are totaling or calculation you have made somewhere mistakes in this calculation. So this is the calculation. See, अगर मैंने जो लिखा है नहीं समझ में आया तो मैं बोल भी रही हूँ, वो भी सुनो साथ में. ठीक है ना, 480 divided by 1200 into 100, 360 divided by 1200 into 100, and third column में 240 divided by 1200 into 100. This is the calculation. You have to simply do calculation on the calculus. इसका calculation हमें अलग से वर्किंग में नहीं दिखा. Then here you got the percentage. Now percentage you have to do the split up line of this percentage column, not of this data column. This number of percent. Now you have to do the split up line of this percentage column because our graph is based on a percentage divided bar diagram. So we will use the numbers of a percentage whatever we have taken. Now the total is of 100. 100 minus 40 is 60. then 60 we will be writing over here, then 60 minus 30 is 30, then 30 minus 20 is 10, then 10 minus 10 is 0. लास्ट का जो है अगर तुम्हारे पास 4 कैटेगरीज है उसमें जो फोर्थ कैटेगरी होगा वो हमेशा 0 आना चाहिए स्प्लिट अप लाइन में, नहीं तो वो रॉन्ग होगा, राइट। और अगर कोई परचेज सेल या उसके बेस्ड है तो फिर वहां पे कोई नंबर आ सकता है, दैट इज नॉट एन इशू, बट इन मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द केसेस योर लास्ट कॉलम विल बी ऑफ 0 ओनली, राइट। Now see in area B, number of person is given 350, 250, 200 and 200. That comes to 1000. Now you have to find the percentage. Now again you have to do the calculations. Now you have to do 350 divided by 1000 into 100. That is 35. 250 divided by 1000 into 100. That is 25. 200 divided by 1000 into 100. That is 20. Again 200 divided by 1000 into 100, that is 20 again, okay, so the total is 100. ऐसे हमारा total आया 100. Now we have to do the split up line of your percentage column same way what I explained you in this, okay. Now I think most of the doubts are clear, right? Again I have explained this percentage divided and simple divided I have explained you again, शायद क्लियर हो गया होगा. If now also if the doubts are not clear you can message me, call me, or one student has messaged me before so many days and I missed to give the answer. Today I sorry for that. If late messages late reply आ रहा है ना तो sorry for that. आप लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, आप लोग डाउट पूछते हो और हम लोग जवाब नहीं देते तो sorry for that. Now see, this is our graph. Percentage divided bar diagram showing the age of a person residing in different two areas. X-axis, Y-axis, है ना, दिया हुआ है. फिर हमने क्या लिया X-axis पे 20 का difference. Either you can take the difference of 20 or you can write without leaving any of the columns. You can write 10, 20, 30 till 100. You can take. बड़े बड़े अच्छे से ग्राफ बनेंगे, बड़े अच्छे से बार बनेंगे, right? So what I told you that graph, the main concept of drawing the graph is to present it in a clear and neatly and a tidy way. क्लियर होना चाहिए, व्यू हमेशा क्लियर होना चाहिए, डायग्राम और डिजाइन. एंड वन मोर थिंग, डिजाइन एकदम ऐसा हॉश पॉश वाला डिजाइन मत यूज करो, सिंपल डॉट या सिंपल सर्कल्स, ऐसे बहुत सारे डिजाइन, ऐसे सब डिजाइन में टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना, सिर्फ हमें शेडिंग करना है, राइट. ये कोई ड्राइंग का एग्जाम नहीं होता, सिर्फ शेडिंग करके उसको बताना है कि दिस कैटेगरी इज हैविंग दिस शेड इज शोइंग दिस कैटेगरी, दिस शेड इज शोइंग दिस कैटेगरी. सिर्फ उसका कंसेप्ट वही है, इसमें कोई ड्राइंग का एग्जाम नहीं. और ये ड्राइंग के तुम्हारे मार्क्स भी अलग से नहीं मिलने वाले. तो सिंपल लाइन, क्रॉस, स्लैंडिंग लाइन, जैसे क्रॉस लाइन या फिर ऐसा जिगजैग लाइन, ये सब सिंपल होता है और जल्दी बन जाते हैं. या फिर ऐसे डैश 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 डॉट 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 डालते हो, स्मॉल स्मॉल सर्कल्स है. तो इजी वाले बनाओ, बहुत हार्ड वाले मत बनाओ. कई स्टूडेंट्स तो आधे घंटे तक 1 घंटे तक एक ग्राफ लेके बैठ जाते हैं, पेंटिंग कर रहे हो ऐसे. तो कुछ नहीं होता, 5 मार्क के लिए 50 मार्क का काम मत करो. ओके, तो दिस इज आवर डायग्राम. सी, दोनों जो ग्राफ है बोथ द बार इज ऑफ 100. क्यों टोटल 100 है हमारा, तो बोथ द बार इज ऑफ अवर 100 ओनली. So then we have to divide that bars, right? So here first one is, wait, my mouse is having some. Okay, here the first is 60, 30 and 10, right? देखो यहाँ पे 60, 30, in between 20 and 40, and 10 in between 0 and 20 and 0. 0 में कुछ नहीं है, ब्लैंक है. हाँ, ऐसा भी हो सकता है, हम लोग एक कॉलम को ब्लैंक भी छोड़ सकते हैं, राइट. अगर 5 कैटेगरीज है, 5 categories are there, and suppose if you have to shade all the categories, so do one thing, only 4 shading you can show. Means जो बच्चों का ड्राइंग अच्छा नहीं है, आपको शेडिंग समझ में नहीं आ रहा था ना, टाइम सेव करने के लिए सबसे बेस्ट थिंग है वो शेडिंग दिखा सकते हैं. 5th में एक ब्लैंक छोड़ सकते हैं, वो भी एक ये है ना कि ब्लैंक स्पेस शोज दिस कैटेगरी, हो सकता है ना. Now next is seventh, circle diagram. Now see the seventh question. A car production company has during a produced the has produced the following numbers of cars during 3 years. Represent it through a circle diagram. See here they have clearly mentioned that you have to draw a circle diagram. Now here is given 2012, 13 and 14. And production of cars is given 25,600, 1,02,400, 1,60. Right? Okay. Now, see the calculation. Here, calculation portion है ना important है. Don't avoid this portion. और वो ग्राफ पेपर पे प्लीज मत करना. ग्राफ पेपर पे नहीं करना तुम्हें कैलकुलेशन. वो दूसरा पेज है जो सिंगल लाइंस दिए ना जिसमें हम लिखते हैं वही उसी में करना. Other than the graph paper, that you have to show the calculation and calculation having marks also. Because if you are not showing the calculation, direct drawing the graph, then I am not going to give you the marks. And if in divided, simple bar diagram or multiple bar diagram, in that one we don't have any that calculation, then also you have to simply write the, at least you have to write the question. Question लिखना है पूरा. जैसे ये जो 7 क्वेश्चन दिया ना यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये पूरा टेबल बनाना है, क्वेश्चन लिखना अगर जिसमें कैलकुलेशन नहीं है तो. See, the first column is year 2012, 13 and 14. Second column is of production of cars, same, right? 25,600, 1,02,400 and 1,60,000. Right? Then square root is given, that is 160. इसका square root क्या है? 160 है, इसका 320 and this is of 40, 400. Now the formula of radius you have to put, that radius is equal to square root divided by 160. Square root divided by 160. जो बेस होता है ना उसी का ही लेता है. See, here it is given. See one thing you have to write in your notebook. To draw a circle diagram for the given data, find the square root of the production of cars and dividing it by 160. We get the radius of the circle for the production of different years. That I will explain you. What is, if any important key points are there, I will explain you that you have to write on your in your book. See, your calculation is given and here you got 1.0, 2.0 and 2.5. So this is the radius of different circles, right? On the basis of this, we have drawn a circle. See, first circle is 2012 का हमारा circle सिर्फ 1 centimeter का बनेगा. So you have to measure it on a scale 1 centimeter and you have to make a round circle with the radius 1 centimeter. Then second is 2 centimeter. That also you have to measure. Same thing, measure on the scale and make a circle with radius 2 centimeter, and the last is 2.5 centimeter with the same process. Right? Like this, we have to draw the circle diagram. Simple है ना? Circle diagram और pictogram I think बहुत easy है. See, one thing I want to appreciate for your 11th standard students, that many students are asking the questions, clearing their doubts, asking the queries. It's so much good thing that it's very good that people are cooperating. You know? If you are not asking, if you are not clearing your doubt, then how we will come to know whether you are understanding our videos or understanding what we are sharing. So thank you so much that you are understanding, and many children are messaging me and telling me that Miss videos are good, your voice is clear, everything. And those teachers whose voice is not clear, you are telling them also Miss voice is. So be frank. जो तुम्हारा problem है ना, frankly बोल दो, है ना? Whatever is your problem, you please tell your Miss subject teachers. Miss, this much is not clear. This voice is not clear. View is not clear. For me also, you can message me also. If any problem, if anything, concept के पढ़ाई के concept के अलावा if any other problem arises, please message me. Okay. So we will come to know where we have to improve ourselves. Teachers है लेकिन teachers 100% perfect नहीं होते. हमारा perfection कहाँ से आता है? आप लोगों से आता है ना? आप लोग हमको perfect बनाते हो. हम पहले से perfect नहीं होते. Students makes the teacher perfect. Teachers are not always perfect. हो गया अपना अभी ये अभी होगा नेक्स्ट, दैट इज 8th क्वेश्चन. The following data represent the percentage sale of a copies of daily newspaper represented by a pie diagram. Pie diagram I showing you na how you have to draw. Okay, I will do one thing. I will draw in a piece of paper that pie diagram and I will show you how to draw and I will send in a group. Though for those students who are not able to understand what is pie diagram, that I can do. I will draw in a piece of paper. ग्राफ पेपर की जरूरत है ही नहीं. एक पेपर में मैं ड्रॉ करूंगी, किस तरीके से ड्रॉ होता है ना, वो मैं ड्रॉ करते हुए वीडियो निकाल के आप लोगों को सेंड करूंगी. दैट आई विल सेंड नॉट इन दिस, I will not include in this, I will send in the group. Okay, तब आपका concept clear हो जाएगा. See here the question is given and the newspaper, the tables. See the table newspaper P, Q, R, S and total and percentage of selling, that is 25, 23, 24, 28 and 100. Right? See, अभी इसका कैलकुलेशन कैसा है देखो. डेली फर्स्ट कॉलम में है डेली न्यूज़पेपर्स का, है ना, न्यूज़पेपर्स का दिया हुआ है PQRS. परसेंटेज ऑफ सेलिंग ये दिए हुए हैं. ये क्वेश्चंस वही है जो टेबल में था, सेम है ये. राइट. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिग्री. डिग्री कैसे, डिग्री के बेसिस पे ही हमारा पाई डायग्राम ड्रॉ होता है. तो थर्ड कॉलम विल आल्सो बी ऑलवेज बी ऑफ अ डिग्री कॉलम. राइट. so that is डिग्री का कैसे हमें निकालना है परसेंटेज. 250 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 into 360 डिग्री, है ना. कैलकुलेट करने पे हमें 90 डिग्री आता है. then again 23 divided by 100 into 360 degree, then is 24 divided by 100 into 360 degree. Same है 28 divided by 100 into 360. So this is the calculation of your degree. So basis of this, based on this degree, you have to draw your this diagram. So this calculation I have shown you, and now this diagram. See the diagram. See those students who understood the diagram, for them, first you have to draw सर्कल. सर्कल बनाना है पहले. सर्कल बना के हमें एक रेडियस. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ सिंपल लाइन एंड यू हैव टू पुट योर प्रोटेक्टर over here on this line. I explained you how you have to place your protector. Right. I'm sending the video. Then also please listen it once. Then after that you have to mark 90 degree. See here is 90 degree clearly दिख रहा है. फिर ये इसको रोटेट करना है. You have to rotate this. इस तरफ को घुमाना, राइट हैंड साइड को बुक को घुमाना. फिर ये जो 90 डिग्री यहाँ पे मिल गया ना, दिस इज योर 90 डिग्री. This is your 90 degree. This line is 90 degree. Now you have to place your scale over here. Rotate your book to right hand side and place your protector over here. प्रोटेक्टर का जो मिड पॉइंट है वो यहाँ पर, ये मिड पॉइंट सर्कल के मिड पॉइंट में आना जरूरी है. फिर तुमको मेजर करना है, दैट इज 172.8 डिग्री. राइट. ऐसे मेजर करते हुए हमें पूरा रोटेट करते हुए बनाना है. एंड यू हैव टू गिव द शेडिंग आल्सो. सी हियर पी के लिए क्या दिया है. सी ऑल द शेडिंग्स दे हैव मेंशन. राइट. so this is the way how you have to draw your pie diagram, and today only I will send that. Today or tomorrow I will send that video of pie. Okay. Now 1 minute. Those children, please complete your books. As soon as I will complete this chapter, I will give only 2 days, 2 to 3 days. Or those who have completed, you can immediately send the PDF. So I will mention the names also. Those who are immediately send the PDF, I will send in the group only. जो तुरंत आज चैप्टर कंप्लीट हुआ और आज ही उन लोग ने बुक मुझे पीडीएफ सेंड कर दिया ना, सबके रोल नंबर्स में ग्रुप पे डालूंगी. देखते हैं कितने बच्चे कितने पंक्चुअल है, पता चल जाएगा उससे. ट्यूशन का बुक नहीं सबमिट करना है. ओके. ट्यूशन के नोट सबमिट नहीं करना. यू हैव टू मेक डिफरेंट बुक्स. आज नहीं तो कल स्कूल खुलेगा ही और मैं कंपेयर करूंगी कि तुमने कौन से बुक्स मुझे सेंड किए. ओके. PDF, when you are sending the PDF now, please mention your roll number, full name, roll number and standard, please. Okay. So this is our 8th sum. Now next is, see, now the easiest sum. Represent the following information by a pictogram. Year is given 2010, 11, 12, 13 and 14. and production of mangoes 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50, 2 lakh 50, 1 lakh 50 and 75 mangoes है. Here what they have taken, ये सारे differences किसके multiples किसके 50 के 5 के multiples है ये, right, 50 के. So here they have taken 50,000 equal to 1 mango. तो ये 50,000 50 को 1 mango है तो 1 lakh के लिए 2 mangoes draw किए, 1 lakh 50 के लिए 3 mangoes, 2,50,000 के लिए 5 मैंगोज, 1,53 एंड 75 के लिए देख लो क्या है, 75 के लिए 1 मैंगो फुल एंड द अदर मैंगो हाफ, है ना. हाफ मीन्स 50 का हाफ कितना होता है 25, तो 50 प्लस 25 कितना हो जाएगा 70, है ना. ये प्लस करने पे आप लोग को ये मतलब अगर एक मैंगो का वैल्यू 50 है 50,000 है तो 50,000 प्लस 50,000 1 लाख होना चाहिए. 50,000 plus 50,000 plus 50,000 1 lakh 50,000. 50,000 if you are adding 5 times that comes 2 lakh 50,000. और 75 के लिए 50,000 plus 25 होगा तो 75. 25 कहाँ से आया 50 का हाफ 25, तो हाफ मैंगो ड्रॉ करना है, राइट. अब मैंगो ड्रॉ करना नहीं आता, एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर दो चलेगा, लेकिन ड्रॉ करो. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. So this is the 9th sum. So today we will be doing till here only. In the last video we have done 1 2 3 4 4 तक किया था शायद ना. आज हमने 5 to 9. Okay. I hope you all have understood all the sums clearly. And about pictogram, if any problem, then please message me. Then I will send the videos to you. Doubt होगा तो ही videos आएंगे, नहीं तो फालतू videos नहीं आएंगे. Okay. Group में इसका pie diagram. Okay. So this much is enough for today. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.